with question number 7, and question 7 wants you to practice drawing various animals and pets. Oh, sorry, plants. Okay, so let's start drawing. Okay, so I have selected 4 of them. 2 of them are animals and 2 of them are plants. Let's draw something which is easy to draw, which consumes less time and gives you full marks. So, animals here I have selected is cat and rat, Tom and Jerry. Okay, so let's draw Jerry. This is rat. Scientific name of it is Rattus rattus. Now, let's start with this. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, this will go like this. Okay, now jaw, forelimbs, okay. Okay, this is done. This is the hind limb. And the tail. Okay, now ears. Okay, time for ears. Some ears. 2 whiskers. Ooh. Okay, so we're done with Jerry, I guess. And I. And right, rattus, rattus. So rat is done. Now time for cat. Okay, cat is known as Felis catus. Okay. This way. Two ears. Okay. Now okay. This is your cat. Okay, it looks a bit like cat, so please excuse me for my drawing. Okay, whiskers, whiskers. So these are the forelimbs and it is sitting on its hind limbs. So I guess we're done with your cat as well. Okay, now we have got rose or rosa. So okay. Okay, everybody knows how to draw a rose. It's pretty simple. The inner wall is what is important, makes it distinct. Okay, students, so this is how you're supposed to draw a rose, and then just add the stalk and some leaves. Students always choose things that are easy to draw and not a big task, because we are not giving any drawing exams right now, we are just writing our board paper. Okay, so okay, this is done, and lastly we've got corn or zea mays. Okay, so this is how corn will look like. Okay, we are done with our drawing. And then draw this things coming out of it. Okay, students, so we are done with our 2 animals and 2 plants.